Welcome. Another tool you just can install. It's Slack. I don't know if you know the application, but my students have to learn it, and that's why you see here my university, Karel de Grote Hogeschool. So just wanted to show you straight away inside the app, because it launches just fine, and it is just with sudo pacman and then Slack. Right. So it's Slack desktop actually. And then it's going to ask an account login and all that. So I've done all that, passed all that, and then we have lots of things we can add to. Well, I'm not going to open a browser. That's the browser. I was just looking at a connect OneDrive, install Outlook calendar, add more apps. These are all the apps that are possible that you can connect, and most of them you know already. All of these guys are known, and Zoom is also possible now to install. Just a sudo pacman -s zoom, and it installs. Right, so a lot of these things are obvious. Outlook calendar, GitHub, Dropbox, Gmail things, Asana. They have to learn that as well for me, and so on. And it's actually a way to gather people in channels like maybe TeamSpirit. I've seen a Teams, Microsoft Teams. They have channels, and so I have a channel of 2018, 2019 classes, 1920 classes, a general one, and we just try this out and learn for it, so learn about it, right? So it's all good, it's all play, it's games. Maybe in their official later on their you say in their profession, they come into contact with Slack, and this is it. I see I have here a gift. What's new? Well, just some text. Didn't get anything. No presents for Dubois. All right. So take a look at it. It's nice. And this is me indeed. It's cool. Privacy here. So always take pictures without seeing their faces. All right. Cheers.